All right, welcome in everybody, back to P Daddy Tech. Today I've got my GoPro Hero 7 Black and the new Telesin battery pack. This is my second Telesin pack, but I wanted to show you it because it's been pretty good to me. There's only been one downside, and this is the warranty replacement. Here's my GoPro Hero 7 Black. I'll get that out. And I use the Ulanzi case. I really do love that. It has the GoPro mic adapter in there. So that's my favorite case. Here's the camera. The only issue I've had with these batteries is that this tab has broken off on a couple of them, the removal tab, or on one. But that's why I got the warranty replacement after a year of pulling on that. The Telesin did come apart. The GoPro original battery came with this camera about a year ago, is still kicking. That's a great battery, but I'm going to go ahead and open up the Telesin, show you what it's like. Okay, so this is the unboxing of the Telesin GoPro accessory battery. This is the 2-pack with charger from Amazon. So I'm going to open that up, show you what comes in here, how it works with my GoPro Hero 7 Black. I've been using these about a year. This is my second set. And the reason for that is the first set, one of the little tabs came off. So that could happen. They're cheap batteries, but they work great. But I've always worried about that tab pulling right out of the battery. And that did happen with the Telesin. It has not happened with the GoPro. I sent them a picture of that, and they sent me this replacement. I did also have this issue, as long as we're doing an honest review of the product. This charger has 2 ports it can use, a USB-C or the micro USB. Either one will power this and charge the batteries. It comes with the micro. So that would plug in, we'll do it that way, of course. But the issue I had with my first one was after some time, that port in the circuit board pushed right inside of the unit and was broken. However, I was still able to use this charger, the old charger, with the USB-C port, so that allowed for some redundancy and it was still good. But I sent him a picture of the charger that broke and the battery. Received this in return for free. Now I had ordered off at Amazon. I had the receipt. I sent him pictures. But really it took about a week. I had my new batteries. So I think it's worth buying. They backed up their product, covered it under warranty. They've worked really well for me. Here's what you get. The Telesin battery. Let's hold it. Let's put them side by side. The GoPro battery. They're really about the same thing. Quality-wise, I mean, they look pretty much exactly the same. It's a small battery, and they each just have a different wrapper on it. Here's the second battery. So 2 batteries in the charger, and then they go in. Actually like that. I'm going to get the USB port so we can see it work. Okay. Plug this in. And we can see, you'll get the green indicators when the batteries are charged, the red indicator while it's charging. I can do the GoPro battery in here too. So this is a great charger for all your batteries. This GoPro battery is already charged, so that doesn't look like it's going to take any more charge. We'll put this Telesin in. GoPro out. So there's the 2 batteries in the charger. You could charge your other GoPro batteries in there as well. And then, of course, it's just as easy as the GoPro battery right into the camera. We'll see if we have any charge in this battery. Looks like we do. It's a brand new battery. GoPro Hero 7 Black, Telesin batteries for the GoPro. And I'll show you how that comes out. Just like that. Put that one back in there. We'll charge them up. Let's set up for a picture. So we can see everything that I like to use here with the GoPro. So those are the Telesin batteries and charger. Thanks so much for watching. We've got other GoPro review videos here, how to use your mixer with the GoPro, how to use extra mics. Lots of fun stuff to do with the GoPro and our experience with them. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.